Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss section formula of coordinate geometry. So let us take point x1, x2 on x-axis and y1, y2 on y-axis. So here is our point A, and you know its coordinates are x1, y1, and here is our point B, and its coordinates are x2, y2. Join A and B and let us take a point C whose coordinates are x, y. And the C point divides AB in the ratio M1 ratio M2. Now we have to find the value of x, y. And the formula to find this x and y is called section formula. So let us see the method now. Let us complete two triangles by just drawing lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Concentrate properly. AP and CQ are parallel to x-axis and CP and BQ are parallel to y-axis. So we know that C is x, y. So the coordinates of point P are x, y1, and coordinates of point Q are x2, y. Now let us write their distances first of all. So first of all, AP, remember it is parallel to x-axis, so AP will be difference of larger x coordinate minus smaller x coordinate, that is x minus x1. Similarly, CQ, it is also parallel to x-axis, so the distance will be x2, larger x coordinate minus smaller x coordinate, that is x, x2 minus x. Then CP, it is parallel to y-axis, so the value will be difference of larger y coordinate minus smaller y coordinate, that is y minus y1. Same, BQ equals to y2 minus y. We have to use all these distances to find x, y. So the given part is AC ratio CB equals to M1 ratio M2. Means AC upon CB equals to M1 upon M2. Remember, now the ratio is given, so what we need to do? First of all, we have to prove that triangle ACP and CBQ are similar. So from triangle ACP and triangle CBQ. Now let us check properties for the similarity criterion. So the first property is angle P equals to angle Q, because both are right angles. And the reason you can write is both of the angle are 90 degree. Now for the second property, see, angle A equals to angle C. Why? You can write angle PAC or CAP is the same thing, equals to angle BCQ, because they are corresponding angles. Why? Now let us see. AP is parallel to CQ. Why? Both are parallel to x-axis. And if they are parallel, then these angles are corresponding angles. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ACP is similar to triangle CBQ. So now, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are in same ratio. So you can write by CPST corresponding parts of similar triangles. AP upon CQ equals to CP upon BQ equals to AC upon CB. Now we have to use this condition. So replace the values. AP is x minus x1 x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. Then CP is y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. And AC upon CB is M1 upon M2. Now take first and last part and find the value of x. So the first part is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x will be equals to M1 upon M2. Now cross multiply. This implies that M2 multiplied by x minus x1 equals to M1 multiplied by x2 minus x. So multiply M1 and M2 inside. This will be M2x minus M2x1 equals to M1x2 minus m1x. So bring the terms with x to the one side and take m2x1 to the right side and bring m1x to the left side. So it will be equals to m2x plus m1x. It is negative in the right side, in left side it will become positive, equals to m1x2 plus m2x1. Remember, here we have cross relation. Now in this expression you can see x is common in the left side. So take it common. X multiplied by m1 plus m2 or m2 plus m1, it is the same thing, equals to m1x2 plus m2x1. Take m2 plus m1 to the right side and I am going to change the order also. It will become m1x2 plus m2x1. Remember, this is opposite relation in the numerator or cross relation you can see, upon m1 plus m2. This is your value of x. And for the value of y, simply you can write similarly, y equals to same opposite relation is there, m1y2 plus m2y1 whole upon m1 plus m2 or m2 plus m1, it is the same thing. So these are the values of x and y. Now let us solve a question using this formula. So we are given a point A whose coordinates are -1, 7 and a point B whose coordinates are 4, -3. Let a point C is there with coordinates x, y. And this point C divides AB in the ratio 2:3. So remember, this ratio we were taking equals to m1:m2. And we know that the coordinates of A were x1, y1 and the coordinates of B were x2, y2. Compare them with the formula and find the values of x, y. So x will be m2x1, that is 3 multiplied by -1, plus m1x2, that is 2 multiplied by 4, whole upon m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. Simplify it. 3 multiplied by -1 will be -3 plus 2 4 is 8, whole upon 2 plus 3, 5. So -3 plus 8 equals to 5 upon 5, that is equals to 1. And y is in same way m2y1, that is 3 multiplied by 7 plus m1y2, that is 2 multiplied by minus 3, whole upon m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. So simplify this also. 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are minus 6, and 2 plus 3 5. This is equals to 21 minus 6 is 15 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and the value of y is 3. So the point xy will be equals to 1, 3, which is your required solution. Thank you and keep smiling.